We are at the Home Depot getting some of our supplies for today's project, which is going to be my office. Picking out a couple of different pink colors, and I am dying over these colors that we have picked.
Okay, so this is the wall that we are repainting. This, we'll put the link to this tutorial if you want this one, but this was like a $10 1 hour accent wall, but we're now converting this room to our classic Clutter HQ.
We have shown you what's happening and taking place with this wall, but now we're going to address and talk about this wall.
Okay, so we're going to be doing a gallery wall, and we have all these prints from a lot of different places, and we'll link the different prints. And so basically we're going to act like this is the wall and get a general layout for how we want the gallery wall to look. And we want like a long rectangle shape because the desk has a long rectangle shape, and that's how much wall space we have. So I'm going to start laying these down, and then I'll kind of rearrange them all to see like what we want the shape to be and how, and kind of our tips on how to like mix and match different frames and prints so it all looks cohesive and everything. So we like to start with, hi Millie, we like to start with the big ones, and you want like 1 or 2 big ones throughout your whole gallery wall situation. Those are all 3 smaller, so I'm going to dig back and find big guys. And I also like that the orientation of the frame is a different direction, because when you have big stuff, they either need to match like their set or be a little bit different. So this one's black and white, this one's color, that one goes vertical, this one goes horizontal. So you want to mix that up. What's up, dude?
Hi there.
How's it going? Okay, so just getting overall shape, and then I'll kind of rearrange a bunch of stuff. So put this guy over here. This is one of our signs from our houses for real estate, and that's so exciting. And we like the bright color that I also like to kind of taper the ends, like have it kind of concentrated heavy, and then lay out like the ends kind of come to like a tail.
Where are most of these frames from?
Okay, so a lot of these are from BFF Print Shop and Juniper Print Shop. I think is it Juniper Prints?
Yeah.
We'll link all those. This one is a BFF Print Shop, and it says BFF, so that's cute.
This one we made ourselves.
Classic Clutter one.
The Classic Clutter Shop. This is just like a fun one that we got from just Etsy. This is a group of our friends from a girls trip, and then all of these white frames too are from IKEA, and then this is a white frame just sprayed gold. So these are like the Ribba, right?
I think
these are the Ribba.
Okay. So overall, I like this shape, and a couple of things is that we want like the colors to be opposite. So this BFF print, the Like a Boss print, and the print of our friends is all black and white. So I like that they're kind of staggered and they're kind of like in a zigzag. So the cactus one is similar in size and color with the green to this side, so we want them opposite, and they're gonna be like this on the wall. You don't want them like on the same level or right next to each other, because then it's like very heavily green. And that's where it gets a little bit tricky when you're doing gallery walls, like with lots of colors, black and white, prints versus art versus photos. You really have to kind of play with it and balance things out. And so this one kind of balances out this palm tree one. And so, Savannah, is there anything that you can see standing on that side? Maybe we can change. Maybe this can come out.
Yeah, I kind of like that tapered a little bit more. The good thing about kind of laying it out is that you can kind of just visually get an overall vibe of like what, as far as what shape goes.
Yeah, I think that these, if they're between like 2 and 4 inches apart on the wall, are gonna balance just fine. See, I like this one lower because that green's high.
I almost wonder if we put
Any switching you see?
maybe
Like that black and white, black and white. Those square ones have the similar like pastel-y colors.
Yeah.
They're kind of opposite. We could even move this one like down.
Yeah, we could move that one down.
And we can tweak it once we get up on the wall. So let's start getting stuff up on the wall, and we'll start in the middle with the biggest, because this arrangement I definitely like. And then we can kind of tweak it if we need to as we go.
Yeah.
This is kind of where we're at in the office makeover.
really loving how it's going so far. We have one more little section to do, and that is this area over here by the windows. So what we plan to do is to do a big tulip table right here, a white table with 3 or 4 chairs, because for our business, we tend to get together and have meetings, and we like to collaborate where we can be face-to-face on our laptops. And so we were gonna put a sofa here initially, but we realized that it would be a more like functional space if we decided to do a table, a round table specifically in this area. So we're gonna get that, and then this whole space will be done and finally functional for the Classy Clutter HQ.